We just rode the new bumper cars here. They're real nice looking. And they're comfortable and they're fun. How was your ride?
I like the new bumper.
These are good, yeah. Our cars had a little zip to them. They handled really nicely. Also, that was nice. It wasn't that long a line when we got in here. We only waited one cycle. So we haven't been on the bumper cars all year. We were just talking about that. And we're like, since they got the new ones, we figure might as well. For $1, hey, that was good. You know, we spent our tickets. I got enough for us to go on the kiddie rides.
Bump, bump, bump.
Bump, bump, bump. Yeah, that was a good one. No head-on collisions allowed, unfortunately, but we were still able to spin each other out a few times. That was pretty cool.
I had a guy that was riding with his kid and went into me. I was like, cool.
That was funny. Yeah, good ride. So I just thought, you know, we never do the bumper cars. Might as well try them out. That was awesome.